Welcome to Yorkshireman Models. We've got a new mystery box, but this time it's not Airfix. This time it's a 172 scale aircraft one I've got, but it's from somebody who does like 172 scale boxes, 148 scale mystery boxes in aircraft and that. He also does the 135 scale armour boxes and that. It does all different sizes of boxes. You can see here I've covered up my name and the actual person who sent it, but the company that you get them from is Northstar Models Limited in Manchester. Now you have to order these boxes off a person called Matt Baxendale, but the actual group that you have to go on internet, it's on Facebook and it's called Tom Catter's Discount Kits. Look it up, apply to join it. Once you're in group, it's all that's in it. There's quite a lot of people in it, but we're all modelers. We help each other out, we put up pictures, all of these kind of things, but Matt will do his best to get you any kit he can. And not just that, he can usually get your kits cheaper than what you'll end up paying at shops. He does them as cheap as he can, but he'll also do you mystery box. So like I say, you can get different sizes. You also get for different prices. He's got 3 different price ranges. This is the cheapest one. This is £45. It's a 172 scale one. In this box there is also a Autumn German aircraft I've been asked to review, so that isn't part of the mystery box. So he's asked me can I do a review on it, and I'm going to do a review on it for him. But we'll get into the box now. We'll see what we've got from the actual £45 that we've paid. And I have paid it. It's not that I'm getting this free. I've got the Autumn free, but I haven't got this free. So I'm quite excited actually. I've only ever opened mystery boxes from Airfix. Come on, nearly there. There we go. I don't know how he ships them or anything. It's only recently come. So first off, don't colour that. There's me Autumn scent. There you go. That one is the one. He's given me that for free. I am doing a review on that, and then I'm going to build it as well, so you can see what it's like. Never done one. Never done one of these. Really, you get 2 kits, 172 and 144. But that's for another day, so I'll put that to one side. Right, this is the actual 172 mystery box now. First off, well, I asked for 172, but it looks like I've got a bit bigger than that. Bloody hell, that's alright for 45. The 148 scale US Navy F4B VF 111 Sundowners. The Academy kit. There you go. That's the first kit art, and I know I said to him 172, but oh baby. Right, next kit. I will have a better look at these in a minute once I've got them all out. He must have done 148. I must have put 148 by mistake. It's my fault, not his. Right, the Mustang P51K American Fighter, and this one's from ICM. Nice little box. Nice box art as well, so I'll put that to one side. Last but not least, here we go. Oh yeah, an Academy P38F Glacier Girl. Yeah. So I'll put that's it. So I've got 3 kits. I'll lift these to the side first because I've had to set my camera right up here because that box was that big. I've had to do that. So we've got these 3 kits for 45 quid here. In my view, looking at it, I've not got any of these kits, so I'm really happy, but I'm well impressed. Nice big boxes, love it. Right, except for this one, it's only the box. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my camera lowered back down. We'll have a good look at the boxes then when it's lowered back down, because it's stuck right up in air at the minute. That's why you can see my desk and all that there. This is where I model, as you can see, my airbrushes, blah blah blah. There you go. Right, see you in a minute. Right, after a lot of fighting I've just done with my camera and arm and that boom and that to get it back in place, I'm back to filming again. Right, Mustang P-51K, World War II American fighter, ICM, scale 148. Its box contains a kit of 205mm, wingspan of 235mm. There is 80 parts in it, no cement, no glue or anything like that. Looks like you're getting the one version. It's got sunshine under there, so that'll be the name of the plane. It's like a simple box, nice box art. I do like that, looks well like American. It's just shot down the Japanese aircraft, or that's what it's portrayed. Sealed with a Northstar models label there. So that's first done. That kit, this one, it retails for about £14 online, give or take a pound or so depending on what you're doing, but that's from the Scale Model Shop at £14. I've done all the pricings from Scale Model Shop. They're a good shop as well for buying stuff from. I do buy stuff from them regular. They're mostly online though then. So next one is this one, 148 P38F Glacier Girl, as I said. Academy, 50 years since 1969. And here's some of the pictures of it. They do look well, these P38s. I always like with a twin prop, the big boom at the back for the tail, everything about it always looks really good to me. I've not done one of these, I've not done any of these free kits, so really happy I've got them, as you can see there. And on the other side there's some more photos of it, just about the same. There is just a bit of detail there and a bit there, nothing special really. No glue, no paint. Does explain in the bottom corner there, Glacier Girl can be seen at the Lost Squadron Museum at Bell County Airport in Middlesbrough, Kentucky, USA. There you go. But like I say, looks well. But last but not least, my favourite one that I've got, that I can't believe I've got this in here. We have the US Navy. Oh, sorry. Before I finish, this one, because we need to know pricing, just so you know, it is £22 again from the Scale Model Shop. That is including delivery, excluding delivery. You've got to pay delivery on them prices. So back to this one. Right, this is a big box. This one, the US Navy F4B VF111 Sundowners. Academy. Says in the top corner here, the multicolour parts. This is a multicoloured part kit, which is a precise, realistic reproduction without having to paint. So technically, it's already painted. I believe that's what it means. I don't know until I get into the box, but I'll be doing a review on this when I get the chance. The side pictures of it. Ah, that's not too bad for side pictures. There you go. Look at that. As you can see, that looks well. If the parts and all of that are painted up all these colours, fantastic. It's showing you figures and obviously the detailed parts there. We'll spin it around. We'll go to this one. And paint index. So they're not all painted. So skill level 4. It's my fault. I'm mistaken. Right. Accurate produced of B type served during the Vietnam War. It says here. Just get it in. I ain't got room really. Says there, produce one piece fuselage and etc. It's just detailing some different things off. Cartograph decals, so that's nice. They're brilliant cartograph, but they're some of the best decals on market. But there's got a list for colours needed. But you can see here's the aircraft painted up representation. I don't know what that means then, the MC multi-club parts. I don't know, it says this is a multi-coloured part which is precise without having to paint. So must be some small parts or whatever, because you wouldn't have thought they'd have told you to get the paints. But this kit, to purchase this kit is about 50 quid. It's about 49.99, whatever it is, around that figure. So in all essence, with these 3 kits here, I've gotten, really, when you look at it, all of them 3, there's that much, I can't even get it all on the table, but all of these 3 kits works out to 86 quid's worth of model kits, all in 148. Sorry I went in an earlier video when I was saying about 172, my fault. It's me that's stuffed up, not him. Right, like I say, that's a bargain and a half. That's more than a 50, well, is it? Oh, just, well, it's 45 quid it is with postage for the actual mystery kit that I've got. But when you sit and you look at it, it's not bad, that. It's nearly a 50% saving. It's like getting this kit, in all honesty, and then getting these 2 free. Huh. Be nice if Airfix did that, but no. But anyway, it's something new. He does the 135 scale armour ones. He will make you up what you want. Just get yourself over to it, to Tom Catter's. Where are we? It's Tom Catter's discount kits. There you go. Tom Catter's discount kits, Matt Baxendale, and you need to go on Facebook for that. Like I say, the community there is fantastic. They're all helpful. Matt's brilliant. He'll respond to you as soon as he can. Remember, he has got that Northstar model shop to run as well, but he is pretty quick and he is good. But like that, he's asked me to do some reviews for him because he didn't get the chance, and he's asked me to do this one. So once I've finished the model I'm doing at the moment, this will be my next build. I'll be doing a review on it, then I'll be doing a build on it. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that video. I'm right looking forward to all these. Catch me next time if you will. I'll be really grateful. Give me a thumbs up, more than out. Give me a like, subscribe. Remember to hit the bell and then pick for notification for all, because then you'll know when I'm putting my videos up, it'll tell you. And I'll catch you all around later.